Welcome to another video on this YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how you can basically earn something if you have some money in your Binance wallet. So if you are someone too who has been thinking about at least earning something small from the crypto market, but you've never made anything before, then this particular video will help you. And you have to remember that cryptocurrency or trading crypto is about losses and gains, but this particular one will help you to make at least something small on whatever money you have in your crypto wallet. So what we are currently going to be doing is called airdrops. So if a crypto wallet or a crypto company wants to launch their coin or something like that, they actually allow people to invest in it. So as I said in one of my videos, without people holding the coin, without people using money to hold the coins will become useless and no one, like, they can't use it for anything. So it's the investment, it's the money that is backing it that is making the coin what a coin. So in this video we are also going to partake in this so that we can see if we can make some profit from this. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your search bar and type Launchpad. So Launchpad. Now if you come on the Launchpad, this is what you basically be seeing. So anytime the new cryptocurrencies want to launch a coin and then they get like Binance involved, what they do is Binance will list the coin here. So if you go down previously, these are some of the coins that they've listed before, but currently they are not what we are done with this ones already. So this is the one that is currently available. So if you are someone who is there always, after showing you how to go about this, what you will basically be doing is that from time to time you be coming to visit the Binance Launchpad. So time to time you check the Binance Launchpad. If there is a farming, then you also participate. So how do you participate in this? So in this video I'm going to show you how to go about this. Now if you come to the down here, you see what we called FDUSD. It's a stable coin which is just almost equivalent to the dollar, and we also have BNB, which is also another stable coin from Binance. So we have to use one of these coins to what, before we can do the investment. Without these two we can't do the investment. So what we are basically going to do is to go back. We need to go back to our Binance homepage, go to wallets. So you come down here and tap on wallets. Now if you tap on wallets, you need to have some money in your spot wallet. So I'll check if I have money in my spot wallet. So if I go here and I don't have money in my spot wallet, then I have to put some money in my spot wallet. So currently I don't have any money in my spot wallet, so I need to go back and I need to come here and transfer money into my spot wallet. So how much will I be transferring? I'll be transferring $40. So I'll be transferring 40 USDT. So 40 USDT, and I'll tap on what, confirm transfer. So this means that now I have money in my spot wallet. So now that I have money in my spot wallet, the next thing I will do, remember they say we should use BNB. So BNB is what we can use, or FDUSD, something like that. So my target here is to get a BNB. So I'll come here and tap on convert. If you can't see convert on your dashboard, you can come to the top here. You can come to the search bar and search convert, but I have it here, so I'll just tap here. Okay, so I have convert here. So now I'm converting $40 to BNB. So I'll come here and make sure I get BNB. Okay, so I'll just tap on preview. Sorry, $40. Tap on preview. So that's it. So that means now I have BNB. So previously I wasn't having BNB by now, but now I converted the USDT to what? BNB. So the next thing I'll do now is to go back to the launch pad. So let me go back to Launchpad. I'll come here and search again. All right, so guys, now it has come. So now if you check, these are the number of days that they were doing the farming, or they're allowing people to what, also invest in the assets. So it was 5 days, but now as at the time of making this video, it's left with 2 days. But still, we also want to participate so that if perhaps we can also make something small on this crypto asset. So how will you go by this? You just come here, because remember now we have BNB. So now we'll just come here and tap on stake. We just tap on stake. So let's tap on stake and see what will happen. All right, so we tap on stake. This is how it came, and then we go ahead again and tap on what? Stake again. Now remember I told you that we still have 2 days and 10 hours left, so I can still participate in this. If you're watching this video at this moment, you can also go there and do the same thing if you're interested. But still, this is not a financial advice, so this is what I'm doing and I'm sharing right now. So if you're interested, then you can also give it a try, but still it's not a financial advice. So now I will tap on stake, then I'll tap on maximum. So maximum means I'm putting all my BNB, the $40 that I tend to BNB, it will all be here. So let me tap on stake. So you can see successful. So guys, that's it. So that means I own a portion of this new asset. So anytime it goes live and the price is high, I'll make money, or if I like, I can still cancel it tomorrow, but definitely I'll make something small on the $40 that I've just put in there. So guys, basically this is one way that you can earn free airdrops and start earning some extra income for yourself. So even if you miss this one, from time to time you can be checking the Launchpad. Anytime there's a new one, definitely you can also enjoy something small. And don't worry, subscribe to the YouTube channel, because if I get such an opportunity, I'll keep sharing it here with you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok as well, because we are currently growing on TikTok little by little. We are on TikTok for about, let's say, 4 months now, and we hit 4,000 followers, and very soon we will hit 5,000 followers. So don't forget to follow us on TikTok. Also follow us on Instagram. I've not been posting there constantly. Facebook too, I've not been posting there constantly, but you can follow us, because as times goes on, we will start sharing contents on the other social media platforms as well.